Each frame is a block of time in your calendar dedicated to a specific category of tasks. They guide where tasks should be scheduled in your day and week, be it by you manually or by Morgen's AI planner. We recommend creating a recurring template for your ideal ordinary week with frames. Consider how you work best, along with the times of day you're most able to focus on tackling tasks. You will then apply task filters and the optimal recurrence pattern to each frame to pull in the right tasks at the right time. Here's how to create a frame. I like to tackle hard tasks in the morning when I'm most focused. I'll call this frame deep work. Add a filter to work on large tasks at that time, then set it for 2 hours every weekday. Here are examples of some of the other most common frames we see. Quick wins during high interruption times. Learning devoted to your learning plan. Life admin during off-work hours. Side hustle blocks to schedule side project tasks on a different calendar. Once you've set up your frames, pair it with Morgen's AI planner for a personalized daily plan guided by your frames. Of course, not every week will be the ideal week you frame. Meetings pop up, deadlines change, you get sick. But they are a powerful planning tool, signaling what to work on when and adding deliberate structure to your days.